Need Zoom on your laptop? I will show you how to download it, set it up, and test your audio. Super simple and super easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download Zoom, create an account, and check your audio settings. So let's get started. First, you have to open your web browser. I will use a Brave. Now, all you have to do is type zoom.us/download. Now this will be their official web page. Now click on this blue download 64-bit. It is best for most user. Now Zoom will start to download and it will save in my download folder. Now click save. Okay, now once the file is downloaded, all you have to do is double click the file, which is called zoom installer full.exe, and wait for it to install. It can take few seconds, and after installing, all you have to do is open your Zoom. So I've already installed my Zoom here. If you have an account, all you have to do is sign in. If not, then you have to sign up. So for this video, I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So I'm going to enter my birth year and then click continue. And then you can sign up with an email address, or you can sign up with Apple, Google, Facebook, or Microsoft. So I'm going to select Google and then go to continue. Then select create account. Now I have successfully created an account. Now this is Zoom's webpage. All you have to do is click on my profile icon on the top right corner, then go to settings and select audio, and you can see there are options. You can speak in your mic, so you have to make sure that the bar is moving. And you can even test a speaker if you like. You can even change the settings. You can also change your microphone settings as well. And if everything looks good, you are ready to go. And that's it. You have successfully installed Zoom and made an account and also test your audio. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.